In estate sales and antique shops across the world, vintage typewriters hold more than just nostalgic value. Hidden within their mechanical memories lie fragments of the past waiting to be discovered. When collectors and restoration enthusiasts examine these forgotten machines, they occasionally find something extraordinary, the final impressions left by their previous owners. These ghostly messages appear as faint indentations on ribbon spools or carbon paper sheets still tucked inside the machines. Love letters never sent, final business correspondences, and personal reflections emerge like whispers from decades past. One collector discovered a 1940s Royal Quiet De Luxe containing fragments of wartime correspondence, while another found a suicide note impression in a 1960s Underwood. These accidental time capsules remind us that every object carries history within its very structure, preserving human stories long after their authors have departed.